Hey guys, welcome back to Life with Sheila. Today we're going to make an icebox pie. This is a recipe that my mama taught me how to make when I was young, and I love this recipe because it's quick, it's easy, and it's so tasty. You're going to need 2 blocks of room temperature cream cheese, a graham cracker crust, a lemon, you're going to use the juice and the zest, a can of sweetened condensed milk, a tub of Cool Whip, and I'm going to mix mine in this mixing bowl with the spatula and then, with the whisk, and then I'm going to use the spatula to pour it in. And if you want to use your KitchenAid, go ahead and pull it out. I didn't want to pull it out for this quick, fast recipe.
I've tried, written down the words to say. It is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind. Baby, you're the one. And tonight I am going all the way. Touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say. Now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hand, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my hands. Now I'm all confused, turning gold into sand. Don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, 'cause when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say. Now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hand, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all just goes away. The things I plan to say. Oh baby, what I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I plan, the things I would say. Now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. And all the things that you do. I'm so in love with you. Ooh, ooh. It sounds so stupid now. What I am trying to do, what I am trying to do, what I am trying to do is say I love you.
This recipe really does bring back a lot of memories from when I was younger. And I'm glad that I still want to make it for my family. It is something that is quick and easy. Once it's mixed up, all you really have to do is put it in the ice box and let it set for at least 2 to 3 hours. On this day, I made it in the morning before work, and of course we had it for dessert that night. Like I said, it's something that's so quick, and it's so tasty, and it's versatile. You can kind of change the things and pull the lemon out and add lime instead, or I don't know. It's definitely worth a shot.
Oh my child, I know you hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. All your life you've tried to be a good man inside. Did everything that you thought you should. Didn't seem to do you any good. I know you've tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer?